Misha, and today we're back with a daily video, and I'm so hyped because the new update just dropped. Oh my god. So, yeah, the new update just dropped. Oh, yes. Oh my god, the new update just dropped. Yeah, wow. Yeah, we have to buy this. Yeah. I just buy it. Whoa, that is amazing. The new update just dropped. Can't even buy everything. That's sad. Buy romantic treat. What is that? I'm recording. Oh wow, open club. Yeah, equipped. Look at this new bear. Whoa. Okay, now let's get all of this quest from these bears because they give these special. What? Yes. New update just dropped. Whoa. I literally just playing, and then the message just came saying, okay, the update's gonna come like soon. I don't care. I'll just do the 50. This is not that hard. Just a 50. Oh my god. This is amazing. This is like the whole thing. This is like the whole quest. I need to collect all of these. Whoa. This is just amazing. It's just... Yes. After 1 year of waiting. Wait, no, not 1 year, but after, yeah. What is this? Talk to Bieber. Woohoo! It's beginning of that, blah, blah, blah. It's like, it doesn't give you anything. Oh, wait. Put one. 570 tickets. 12 for this. Okay, you are a bear too? Let's go talk to all of the bears. Pumpkins. Oh, I hate defeated. Okay, let's go talk to Riley B right now. Oh my god, this is amazing. Probably gonna be like grinding for the next ever. Oh my god, this is amazing. Been waiting for this update. But the bad news is, the gummy mask is nerfed. I feel bad. It's nerfed. Wow, I'm so lucky. Yes, at least got one. Oh man. At least I got jelly beans. What else did I miss? What bear did I miss? On it, I did on it. Yeah, Buckle. I can't do him, sadly. Yes, I've been waiting. This is awesome. This gives you boost. If you didn't know that. Wait, no, I don't want that. It's just like, yeah. 2, I don't care. I mean, oh, pine tree. Okay. Okay, I can't really buy. So as you can see, I have 26. I mean, I don't wanna be toxic. Just nah, it won't. Box of frogs. 1 star, 100 stingers, 25 gliders, 5 night bells. Can I even buy this? I can. Okay, I think I'll just use all my Robux. I think I'm broke now, but fine. It's all fine. Okay. Okay, let me take a picture of this. Should I do this? Nah, it's like a very low percent. What beat should I hatch it on? I'm gonna hatch it. 3, 2, 1. I got tadpole bee. Not that bad. I'm just box of frogs. Wow. This is. Whoa! I got a lot more jelly beans. Wow. Yeah. Mythic bee. Okay, let's start doing the quest. Okay, let's do the easiest one. Stop it. This brown bear. Panda, old net, on it, whatever. Oh, I'm almost done with this already. Okay, I'm done. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now let's go place the ornament. It gives us like a boost. What does it give us? Whoa, I got a jelly bean from that. This is just amazing. 10 plus capacity? Oh my god, that's just amazing. 8 million capacity. That is just. Okay, let's do this quest. Kill it. Okay, the ability tokens. Panda bear. 14. It's all about these tokens. Okay. 20. Okay, on it I'm definitely not gonna do right now. Beautiful the bee mass. Oh wait, no, that is mother. No, the bee bear. Yeah, bee bear's quest. Oh, I'm so hyped. Even though it already came out, I'm just. Oh my. Oh, okay, never mind. I just have anything. Wow. It just. Wow. Capacity. That is actually a lot of capacity. Okay, I just need to do one more. Oh, okay. I think I can finish this. Yes, I can. Oh, so close. Brown bear. Oh, I don't care if his role in danger. I'm so glad. Just happy. Okay, what's this? Okay, we're gonna go check that later because we're gonna go. Yeah, tadpole bee and all of those. I'm just have no. I'm just so happy. Can't talk. What do I feel like? Oh, we're missing science bear. I'm like, what happened? Oh my god! I gotta take a picture of this. Oh my god, this is amazing. Tadpole bee, thank you. This is amazing. Okay, I'm leaving. Oh, this is awesome. This is just speechless. Boy, how easy is this? Oh, this is easy. Oh, go check. Okay, let's see what I got for the last two. Okay. Okay, I need to check out these things. It has to be very good. Ooh, 9 million for a container with like very bad stuff. I'm just speechless. Okay, boost 10 plus capacity. 10 plus capacity. Is everything capacity? Science bear, 1 memory match. Let's just do that one. This one I'm just gonna summon a sprout. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do everything with it. It's not that hard, is it? I swear to God, it's something hard. Actually, I just need 1. Please, don't. Ooh, enzymes. Oh my god, just summon Sprout, I guess. Where is it? Where is it? Better not be back. Swear to God, if it's on the top. Okay, good. You guys at every other. Where is it? I hate this because you can't see. I need the Sprout. Trying to do all the quests here. Just. I don't care if it's here. I just need it. Oh, this is going too far. Was that me? Okay. Doesn't matter. Thank you, I'm leaving. Okay. I don't know what's so hype about this, but it's just. This is just amazing. Okay, let's go check that out. Almost 10 million capacity. Oh wait, I think I can open one of the presents. Right? I think. Wait, what is this? But oh, I forgot about Mother Bear. Oh yeah, guys, let's go do Mother Bears. Wait, but first let's get one of. I was wondering. I think I was missing one. I was like, let's open this. Oh, this is not that bad. It's actually good. I'm pretty sure there's 4. Oh, I just can't talk. Oh, probably gonna do most of it off camera, but. Send treats to your bee. It's not hard. It's actually fairly easy. Yes. Box of frog. Wait, no, that's happening. Are you kidding me? There's one. There's one. There's never mind. Please, I need treats token. Eve tokens. Anytime. Please. Okay, this. Found one. Okay, let's go. I'm like, if it's giving it. Oh, it's a present. Oh, right there. There's one right here. Oh, are you kidding me? When did I ever want this? Okay, I don't care. I'll leave you. I need a feet. I need one instantly. No. Oh, right there. Please, give me. Yeah, okay. I just need 5 more. It's just amazing. Can't talk. It's awesome. I just can't talk. I have to eat soon, but no. Okay, right here. Let's go. This one right there. I swear, this game hates me. Yes, indeed, I would love to spend Robux. Anything. I mean, this one. When is this? February? Oh, wait. There's a token for it? I didn't know. Oh, just. Wait. Oh, wait, no, it's Firebee. Firebee's new ability. It's Firebee's new ability. Wait, one sec. I have to end the video soon, so let me first finish this quest, please. Just two more, two. Please, anything? Yes, one more. Please give me one more. I think I'm gonna get one of those Firebees. One of those Firebees are really useful. One more. Why is it so hard to get? I just need one more leaf token. It's cool. I saw that. Saw the token. Are you kidding me? Is it that hard to just... Oh, right there. Right there. Oh, this game hates me. I officially... Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let me... So close. Let me just feed this to Tadpole. JK. I don't know. Okay, let's go. There we go. I should have a lot of capacity now. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, hit the like button. Yeah, I'll see you like in the video like maybe later today, because this update is so hype. Actually, let's first get the presents. So you saw that's one of the present locations. Maybe I'll do another video soon about where's all the present locations. There's one over there. I think I just got 6 right. Oh. 5. Oh man. Where's the 4th? I know there's one. That's 11. Just find. Oh, that's a 10. There's one over there. That's where you get That's where you get the, what's it called? Tadpole bee? I mean, no, not the tadpole bee. I can't talk. The mythical bee. Mythical egg. There it is. Ooh. Okay, hurry up. Don't make me die. Yeah, this video is hyping like my reaction is also very good on this video. Subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.